Welcome to Episode 2. If you haven't seen the introduction or the previous episode yet, we recommend clicking the I symbol in the top right corner to watch it first.
Yan pili lilukin, onali kalama utawawa, onali pilin monsuta. Yan majuna kama tanpoki sulinasa. Onali toki ni.
Ponatawa sina yan pilio.
Yan pili pilin monsuta.
Sina? Yan seme?
Yan majuna toki ni.
Mi yan Pili Nakamula.
Taso ni li kanala. Mi yan Pili Nakamula.
Lon, sina yan Pili Nakamula. Taso mikin yan Pili Nakamula. Mien sina yan Pili Nakamula. Mien sina yan sama. Mikama tan tempo sikenanpa mute ale luka tu. Mikama tan tempo sikekama mute luka.
Yan pili kama lapewawa, kepekin tenpo lili.
We're only in Episode 2, but it's already time to talk about the big elephant in the room, numbers in Toki Pona. In the beginning, 3 words for expressing 1, 2, and many were sufficient. As the language evolved, more words were introduced.
Luka,
which means 5, and
mute,
which, while still keeping its original meaning of many, also started being used to represent the number 20. While some members of the community still argue that the original system is adequate, many different numbering systems have been proposed over the years, some serious, others just for fun. I'll include a link in the description to a page that covers many of them. The system we will describe here, even though not used by everyone, is commonly accepted in the Toki Pona community, and it goes like this. Numbers between 1 and 99 are built as a sequence of
1, 2, Luka, and mute.
To get the number, you simply add them up, like this.
Luka 2
is 5 plus 5 plus 2, which gives 12.
Mute. Luka 2.
This relatively long sequence, which you'd better say slowly, adds up to 79.
Mikama tan tempo sikekama mute luka.
I come from 30 years into the future. Note that even though the number acts like a multi-word modifier, we usually do not put the word p in front of it. For numbers greater than 99, we use the word
ale,
which represents 100. When it appears in a sequence of words representing numbers, it multiplies the sum that comes before it by 100. Here's an example.
Mikama tan tempo sikenanpa mute ale luka tu.
Let's break it down.
Mute ale
is 2000.
Luka 2
is 12. I come from the year 2012. For even bigger numbers, we follow the same pattern, dividing them into groups of hundreds and separating each group with the word
ale.
20,000 is just like saying 200 hundreds, or
Tu ale.
Maybe it is not the most effective system, but for everyday use in Toki Pona, where we rarely need scientific precision, this method keeps things simple, expressive, and true to the minimalism of the language. You may have noticed 2 uncommon Toki Pona words in this episode. The first one is
monsuta.
It was created by Sonia Lang before Pooh was published, but it wasn't included in the final version of the book. Pooh, also known as Toki Pona, the language of good, defined the core vocabulary of the language. The words included in its dictionary are called
Nimipu.
Words not found in that book are called
Nimipipuala.
The word was later added to the Toki Pona dictionary from 2021, known as ku. Before going further, it's important to stress that ku is not an official dictionary, but rather a collection of examples, a bridge between the original Pooh and the way the community actually uses the language. In ku, the word appears as part of the words that were recognized as essential vocabulary. In our episode, the word is used as an adjective to describe fear or disturbance.
Yan pili pilin monsuta.
Philip is feeling scared or disturbed. The second word,
majuna,
was also created before Pooh was published, but it was not included in Pooh or Ku. It typically relates to old age or ancientness. According to usage statistics, the word is not widely used. Many speakers avoid it, and instead of saying,
Yan majuna.
they would prefer something like,
Yan pi tempo pini.
In our story, we use the word old extensively in order to distinguish young Philip from his older self. So to keep things simple, we have chosen to use it. Let's give special attention to the last sentence of the episode.
Yan Pili Nakamula pewawa, kepikan tenpo lili.
Let's compare it to another sentence that appears earlier in the episode.
Yan likama tanpoki sulinasa.
In the later sentence, the word kama is used as a verb. A man comes out of the strange box. Here, the word kama is used as a preverb with the meaning to become. We'll talk more about preverbs in later episodes.
Kamalape.
Typically means to fall asleep. Adding the modifier wawa emphasizes that it's not just regular sleep, it's a deep or powerful sleep. And finally,
Kepeken tempo lili.
suggests that this happened quickly, using only a short amount of time. Altogether, this is a very vivid and expressive way of saying that Philip actually fainted. Before we check out what happens next, let's watch the episode again. This time, we want you to ace the numbers, so get your fingers or your calculator ready.
Yan Pili lilukin. Onali kalama utawawa. Onali pilin monsuta. Yan majuna likama tanpoki sulinasa. Onali tokia ni.
Ponatawasina yan pilio.
Yan Pili pilin monsuta.
Sina? Yan seme?
Yan majuna tokia ni.
Mi yan Pili Nakamula.
Taso ni li kanala. Mi yan Pili Nakamula.
Lon, sina yan Pili Nakamula. Tasumikin li yan Pili Nakamula. Mien sina li yan Pili Nakamula. Mien sina li yan sama. Mikama tan tempo sikenanpa mute ale luka luka tu. Mikama tan tempo sikekama mute luka luka.
Yan Pili Nakamula pewawa, kepikan tenpo lili.